second gear pull will do with these porting that doesn't do anything. Runs great. Clutch doesn't work very good. We've done nothing but fight with the clutch in this car since we put it together. Won't disengage. Changing the master and slave again. If I have to pull the transmission out, I'm going to set the car on fire.
Chopping up.
You
want to save the garbage bags?
Garbage bags. No, I'm really not that concerned with saving the garbage bags. But I guess, I mean, if you want to... It's Christmas time with garbage bags. This is brutal. I like the shipping label. Cardboard taped to the garbage bags. Putting it on upside down.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, it goes like that. Let's see how well it fits. You gotta lift it up. It goes. Oh, gotta take the mesh grill out.
Not very well.
Well, they don't have a mesh grill. So yeah, did a little bit of a thing. Got the lip on. Yay. Carbon fiber hood, which I'm gonna wet sand and buff here shortly. Possibly re-clear coat here. But yeah, came off this. Just picked it up the other day. Or last night. And blade one on the motor. I might do something with these seats. The doors and stuff are probably gonna go on the red one. We're probably gonna put the red one together for a race car. This did come with BC coilovers, so they're gonna go on Project Unneeded Rx8, which isn't doing too bad, other than the clutch master and slave issues I keep having with the thing. But yeah, we're gonna get to it today. Get this thing stripped down, get the coilovers off of it, get the coilovers in this. Then the stock air box. Pure gold right there, stock air box, so. Yeah. Oh, Aubrey decided to start a fire while I was doing this, so I got some ashes in it, and I'm gonna have to redo it, but whatever, it's better than it was. Gotta finish wet sanding that headlight a little bit more. We didn't have the right compound either, but at least they're not tinted yellow anymore. And bam. I think he's almost real close to a motor coming out.
Super close.
Yeah.
You're doing a sub.
So, score. Yeah, we got it ripped right down. Told Chris to come get his quarter panels, but I don't know, he's gonna miss out pretty soon. Maybe we'll put the one out back together now. Way back there. We got everything to do it. Okay, so we've decided, new project. Project Reject Rx8. Not sure what we're gonna do with it yet. Build a drift car, drag car, off-road car, something car, multicolor car. It will be, because the driver's side's smashed.
Blade's gonna sit on the tranny.
Blade's gonna sit on the tranny. I've saved this thing. I was so close to scrapping it so many times.
It's still around.
It's still here. And we got all the parts to put it together however we want. Here you go.
What the fuck is that?
I used all the parts to fix my key fob.
Oh.
Just put it in and turn it. It'll work. Yeah, it's a good thing we got doors. Oh, our front fender is good, isn't it? Oh, sweet, we're set. We got one passenger side fender. Maybe we should tell Chris F him and take the quarter panel and put it on this one.
This fender isn't really that bad. It has one dot.
No, but we have one 40th anniversary fender.
So now if we had two, cooler.
But it's going to be so much cooler when it's multiple colors and we hurt people's feelings with it.
Should we put the
Just
green trunk lid wasn't messed up? Say fuck.
I think we can pop that out. Yeah.
And then put your gray hood on it.
Yeah.
Stick and following us around in his car. Following us in his car. Oh well, we're getting up there.
Begins. Project Reject. We're going to decide as we go. It's going to be on the fly. But we are changing these doors out because they are fucked. Ever so slightly. Fucked. The only thing good on that door is the window and the mirror.
I say watch that mirror doesn't fucking rattle.
Probably. No.
Nope, it doesn't.
Every freaking one of these rattles. Pretty much got this thing about gone. We got to get a few things out. I got to get the gauge cluster out. And pedals. Small things. Yeah, pick up some of these relays. Yeah, but we got just about everything off of this gold mine. And the other parts are almost all back together. I'll get right over to there instead of walking over. I'll come right back. Yeah, this thing's almost all back together. Got a few little things to do. It's alive for the most part. We'll put a motor and transmission in it here shortly. Putting a 6-speed in it. It was an automatic car, but who the hell wants an automatic? And we got all the manual parts. So, like I said, I got to get the pedals out of the other one, get them in this. The interior is almost 100% all back together. I got power to everything. You got to remember, this thing was stripped, gutted, and almost nothing left. But it's different colors. It's really not in that bad a shape for the most part. I get a little bit of quarter damage, but whatever. It is what it is. This car has been sitting in the back field for about 5 years. And it's almost back together in one day. But be Bridgeported. Bridgeport 4-port with the 6-speed. So I'm going to finish opening the exhaust up on it too. Why not?